our way to the daycare.
This is Sue and Mary, right?
Yes.
I'm really excited to meet them.
I am too. It's right here in Everett. It's a Rambler. This house is actually currently set up as a daycare, so they're having issues finding anyone that wants to purchase it as a home. Sue's retiring. She's been in the daycare industry for 30, 40 years. They've had the house on the market for $375,000 for about a month, and they haven't had any luck selling it.
You always want to try to go residential, not commercial.
Yeah.
Because commercial really limits how many people may be looking.
Interested.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll be able to give them some good pointers and help them out.
Okay.
Hi. How are you?
Good. I'm Leslie.
Hi, I'm Sue.
Sue.
I'm Mary.
Mary. Lindsay.
Lindsay. Great property, guys.
Yeah.
I mean, my goodness.
Tell me a little bit about the house. I saw that there's 3 bedrooms.
It's about $14.75, but it has one really large bathroom, and then we have a little closet in the back that's just a half bathroom.
Okay.
And that's so small you have to step out to change your mind. So it's, you know, it's really small. Like,
I love that.
it's terrible.
Okay. Well, let's go check out inside and see how we can help.
Oh, so it's absolutely a daycare. I
Lindsay.
love it. Oh, it's hard to envision the living room, the dining space. So all this is temporary. If all of this was removed, this is a great space.
There's even a fireplace behind there.
right
Yeah.
here.
This cupboard.
Okay.
Yeah. Tons of natural light.
And I
Yeah.
love that you guys have nice windows.
are nice.
I think popcorn ceilings down, take away all these temporary built-ins, replace the floor, expose the fireplace, and we've got a beautiful living room
Yeah.
again.
Yeah.
I'm very curious as to what this odd little space is.
I think it was supposed to be a dining room
Oh,
at one
really?
point.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It seems like a pass-through, like a
That's
very
exactly what it
big,
is.
Giant hallway.
Yeah.
Well, and then even to not have the same flooring as
Yeah.
the kitchen. It's,
Okay, I want to check out this very oversized kitchen.
okay.
Yeah. The kitchen actually looks decent size. I mean, it's long at least.
Yes.
So I think we should rethink the floor plan and tear out some of that wall between the kitchen and living area. Then we extend the kitchen into that room with the bulletin board and do a full overhaul. New backsplash, countertops, and appliances.
Can I check out this bathroom?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice. It's very retro. I could change out the hardware on the sink and keep this.
Are you serious?
Kind of. It's retro. It's cool.
Do you want to look at the backyard?
It is really, really nice yard, guys.
Super nice yard.
Let's go check out the main bedroom. Yeah, this is the main.
I mean, it has the whole world in it.
We really just need some cosmetic work in here. Get rid of the popcorn ceilings, new paint, new lighting, and some fun flooring. It's gonna be a challenge, but it's going to be super cool when we're done. Let's all sit in our kitty chairs. Okay, you guys are a little bit more
Used to sitting
used to
down
this.
here.
We sit on these all the time.
I'm super excited about this project. We've got amazing bones to work with, which helps tremendously. Overall, just the flow, I think, is a big deal for the next buyer.
So if you guys were trying to sell at $375 and not getting any interested buyers, I think there's a few areas to focus on where we could attract them. We need to rework the layout between the living room and kitchen, create an all-new kitchen with new appliances, make the main bathroom and powder room stunning, and then a full overhaul of cosmetic changes of lighting, paint, and flooring. Then that would give us an overall reno budget of $50,000, but I would like to try to push that to 40.
Okay.
I think a little more money would probably go a long way here.
I would feel extremely confident coming in here up to $500,000. I think we could definitely accomplish that with your property. That would leave an additional $75,000 from where they're at right now,
Okay.
which we would split $37,500 on each side that we would make profit.
That sounds great.
As soon as the doors close here, which is about 2 weeks, okay, we can get started immediately.
The sooner we get this going, the sooner we get it sold, the better.
Yeah, I think this is gonna be a great house, great location, tons of potential buyers. This is gonna turn out really, really well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With the daycare closed for business, The pressure is on to turn it back to a home as soon as possible. We're gonna start with removing the popcorn ceilings and wood flooring, exposing the fireplace that was covered in the living room, removing the bathroom and kitchen cabinets and kitchen appliances. And Jeff and his crew are closing up the old entry to the dining room while opening up a new, wider entry between the living room and kitchen. The inside has been painted a clean white color. And I had some fun making the fireplace a focal point by painting the bricks a burnt red color and putting sleek black tiles above the mantle to add a retro feel to the farmhouse style. Our beautiful light wood flooring has gone down throughout the house. Our white cabinets have been installed, and this entire kitchen is just coming together beautifully.
We are nearly finished turning the daycare center into a farmhouse-style family home. We have like a bunch of projects we're finishing up.
Just a punch list of things.
Yeah. The newly painted shutters are up.
And of course, I found a way to use the fruit wallpaper. It carries the vintage farmhouse theme throughout the home, but this time more subtle by giving character to shelving inside the bathroom closet. And now, it's time for final staging.
Fluff them, because I just like a fluffy pillow. Sham up.
Sham up.
Yep.
I like it.
So lights off, room done. I think one of the biggest issues with this home obviously was what it was being used for as a daycare, and buyers not being able to see past that and not being able to see themselves in it. So I think this is a perfect example of why staging is so important in a home.
You want to make sure that a buyer can imagine how they can utilize that space, but without overwhelming it. We can create sitting, desk, workspace, all of that.
I think this definitely utilizes the space better and shows we have plenty of space for dining, sitting, and this really cool office that you have built in, which for me is always added value.
We went super minimal with colors. Lots of black and white. And the bold, bright red fireplace gives just the right pop of color, while still evoking that vintage farmhouse style.
Oh my God! How are you guys?
Guys excited?
Just so excited.
Oh, good.
It's beautiful. I can't
You
believe
like
it.
it?
Yes.
Oh,
So-
I love the color.
Out here, we just did very little because you guys had phenomenal curb appeal.
Yeah. Such a cute house.
So we did just a couple little things, changed the color of the shutters. Yep.
So pretty.
I know.
And really focused our energy
know.
on the inside.
Oh,
so,
perfect.
Okay, let's go.
So eyes down.
I'm down.
Okay, but don't trip.
Watch your feet.
Oh my goodness. Look at that brick. It's beautiful. I would have never
I would never have thought it. Oh my Lord. Oh, they moved the entryway.
I can't believe it.
So in here, we did paint, we did all new baseboard, we did carpet, we painted the fireplace.
It's gorgeous.
What made you pick the burgundy?
Well, I wanted to go for a modern vintage farmhouse. So really mixing kind of the old and the new. I just felt like it was a really fun vintage color. It's not a
can't believe
daycare.
Oh my goodness. No, it's not. It's so great. It really is.
I know.
What's next?
I want to show you the kitchen. Let's go. Come on in.
What? Oh my gosh. Oh, this is gorgeous. This isn't even the same place. This isn't the same place. I can't believe it.
I knew it. She's gonna blubber.
It's okay.
Looks so good.
Get your tissue.
I can't even imagine.
So I think we're standing in your office.
Yes.
But it
Yeah.
feels very open concept.
Well, and Mary, this was a galley kitchen, and
yeah.
we still are a galley kitchen, but it's a big galley kitchen.
Oh yeah, you've got so
And
much more.
Yeah. When we had this entryway closed off and we had our cabinets here, going side by side was even difficult at
Right.
times.
Yeah. And I can't believe this.
I really want you guys to peek in the little half bath. Yeah, and see if we maybe kept that sink that you know I loved.
Oh, the little turquoise sink. Oh, how cute it is. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. That looks great. That looks great.
This is gorgeous.
I can't even
look at.
Before, this whole area was like swing sets and
Yeah.
jungle gyms.
This is gonna be a huge selling factor.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's go see the bedrooms and that bathroom. So,
All
okay,
right.
let's go check that out.
Oh
my gosh.
Sweet
I love this.
Lord.
Oh, look at this. I love it. The sink is gorgeous. That other one that was so long and
Yep.
it was peach and that
It
can
made
go.
it feel dated and
Right.
bulky.
So by taking out that chunky vanity, it really does make it feel larger in here.
No, that's great. I am so happy with this. It is pretty emotional. We have spent more time in this house over the last 11 years than we did at our own homes. We worked 50 hours a week. We are definitely ready to say goodbye, and it's in a good way.
So you guys tried to sell it $375 without success. We wanted to put in $50,000 and a list at $500,000. We did use our full $50,000, and listing at $500,000 would get us $75,000, which we would split 37.5 and 37.5.
Right.
Does that still sound like something you guys are happy
Yeah,
with?
this isn't an income property anymore.
Exactly.
Now
Right.
the mortgage is coming out of us.
Yeah.
So we need to get this tied up. What would be that offer that would just
Probably 520.
Yeah, 525, 530.
No, I love that. It gives
Yeah.
me a tangible goal.
Yeah.
Well, we are ready to go live. So
Perfect.
we are going to hit the market today, and our open house is tomorrow. We are going to present offers as soon as they come in.
That's
I would be
wonderful.
shocked if we don't have an offer in the next couple days.
I would think, absolutely.
That would
Oh
be
my
wonderful.
gosh.
It would really be helpful.
Guys,
How's it going?
what do you think so far?
I love the curb appeal.
Brett and Taylor are gonna stop by today. Brett is one of our agents, Taylor's his fiance, and they've been looking for quite some time. They're getting married in a couple months, and I don't know, I feel like this house, it checks every box. Let's check it out. Okay, come on in.
I love this. Look at this red.
You
love
like
the
that
ti-
color?
Yes,
love the tile.
love it together.
So then, yeah, the kitchen.
I love how open this is.
Awesome.
Oh my gosh.
This is farmhouse chic in the best way.
I like this little area right here too because it's, you know, it's a great spot to read a book, right? And still be involved with everything that's going on. It's nice.
I am obsessed with this desk.
So the main bedroom, here it is.
Wow.
Yeah.
I love the wallpaper.
Ooh,
I do like that too,
Did
actually.
you guys have this?
we did.
I think it's great.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Good size room too.
Yeah.
If we can make this work for you guys, that would be incredible.
Awesome.
That would be really exciting.
Cool.
Yay.
Okay, we'll be in touch.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
Thanks so much.
Okay,
Bye,
guys. Thank you guys for coming over. I know we gave you very short notice. It's convenient that you live nearby.
Yes.
As you guys know, Lyndsay and I had the open house today, and it was a huge success. And one of the people that walked through actually happened to be one of the agents that work at our office. His name's Brett, with his fiance, and they loved it. They fell in love with it. So they came back about 2.5 hours later and actually wrote you guys an offer. And I want to say, before we do this, there's no obligation for you guys to take this.
Okay.
We've only been on the market one day, but Brett is very aware of how this market works and how strong you need to be to put your foot forward. I'll give you the facts on the offer. They are wanting to close in 25 days. They did waive their inspection.
Okay.
They waived all of their contingencies, and they offered you $550,000.
What?
Yep.
Oh, I'm gonna cry now. I can't believe it. Thank you so much. I can't believe it.
Well, you guys think it over, and if anything comes in between now and when we talk next, you know, obviously we'll put that in front of you as well.
Yeah.
Okay, that's wonderful.
Okay, awesome.
Great.
We were listed at $500,000. Ended up accepting after 24 hours an offer at $550,000. So that's an additional $50,000 profit to the original $75,000. Meaning We'll split $125,000, $62,500 each.
And we're gonna close in 3 weeks, which is exactly what they wanted.
That's so exciting. I'm so happy for them.